This video tutorial I will explain integration of Spring and XStream. Using XStream, we can convert object to XML and XML to object without the requirement of any mapping file. Here you can see the pom.xml and here you can see the required dependency for this project. Here I have defined the class company. It has four properties: ID, company name, CEO name, and number of employees, and getter and setter methods for these four properties. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have defined XStream marshaller bean, where company class is bound with OXM framework. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading a Spring configuration file. Then I am calling convert object to XML method and passing the context. In this method, using getBean method of application context object, getting marshaller object from Spring container. Then I have created a company object. Then using marshal method of marshaller object, converting company object to XML. Then I am calling convert XML to object method and passing the context. In this method, using getBean method of application context object, getting unmarshaller object from Spring container. Then here I am converting company XML to company object. Here you can see the output, and company.xml will be generated in our project root folder. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more. and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.